Hello everyone, Shravan Mantri here. Welcome to our channel CSC Gurus. In the previous video we have done with this solve me first question, which is in the Hackerrank problem solving. Now we'll go to the simple array domain warm up. So we'll see this question. So complete the simple array function. If you see the some more test cases, there are n value it is given 6. So the logic here, it is simple to take each and every element and you have to make a method called as sum, which is already available in Python 3. So you write sum, success, and we'll submit the code. We'll verify with the remaining test cases. There are 3 test cases. So the answer is, even you can check like this, it is, you can unlock and you can see these are the elements and check it out. What is the sum? Yes, successful. It is verifying with our code at the back end and it is giving whatever is